Welcome to the episode that will show you how to create a Facebook Ads Manager account the easy way. Facebook intentionally makes their dashboard complicated and hard to navigate. In a moment, I will explain exactly why they do that and show you how to set up your Facebook Ads Manager step by step. You don't want to miss this episode because I will also show you one important thing that you must do so that Facebook won't overcharge you in ad spend. This is something that one of my students wished he did before he lost $433 in ad spend. Let's get started. Facebook makes it easy to run ads. And why wouldn't they? They want to make it easy for you to give them your money. That's why they created a promote button and a boost button on your Facebook page. The promote button allows you to easily promote your entire page, and the boost button allows you to easily promote a specific post to get more traffic. However, what Facebook didn't tell you is that using the Facebook page to run ads is like driving an 8-cylinder sports car, but only using 4 of the cylinders. You are just not using Facebook's full advertising potential. Running ads from your Facebook page is only okay if you are starting out and trying to get more followers to your page, or drive a little traffic to your other social media accounts, like YouTube, like trying to get subscribers on YouTube. Then that's okay. But if you are trying to get leads or sell products and services, do not, and I repeat, do not use the Facebook page to do that. It does not provide you with enough tools to really target your customers. Please don't drive a sports car with half of its features turned off. It's a sure way to waste money. The best way to maximize your results is to use the Facebook Ads Manager. That's using all 8 of their cylinders. But a lot of people are afraid to do that because the dashboard of the Ads Manager looks complicated and intimidating. Don't worry, that's why we are here. I will simplify everything for you in the episodes to come. But let's get your ad account set up first. Please watch to the end of this episode because I will show you one thing to do that will prevent Facebook from charging as much as they want from your ads, saving you hundreds of dollars in ad spend. Let's start setting up your ads account. Start with typing in the keyword Facebook Ads Manager on Google. This will help you find their official site, which is currently facebook.com/business/tools/ads-manager. Click on the link and then click on Go to Ads Manager. Since you are already signed into your Facebook account, you will see this screen with your account displayed. Click on your account name. This will bring you to the famous Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. Congrats, we made it! The main thing we need to do is to set up payment information. So let's click on the settings gear icon at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to the business settings. Then click on Add Accounts. If this is your first time here, you'll probably see something like this. If you don't worry. Facebook constantly changes the look of their interface, but the general idea for setting up your account is always the same. Click on Add and select Create a new ad account. Enter a business name for your ad account. Make sure the time zone and the unit of currency is correct, and then click Next. Since you are running this account for your own business, select My Business and click Create. Now let's click on the Add Payment Info. Facebook accepts debit, credit card, PayPal, or online banking as payments. So select the option that applies to you and fill out the information. Once done, click Save. Congrats! Your account is successfully set up, but there is still something very important we need to do. Facebook intentionally made navigating around their dashboard complicated with dozens of options and links to press on every single page. Why? Because they want people to run ads directly from their simple Facebook page. They make more money from people's mistakes. No, we are smarter than that. We are going to run ads from the Facebook Ads Manager. But if you ever get lost, you can always find your way by clicking on the 3 lines at the top left-hand corner of the screen. You can see we are currently in business settings. This is the place where we go to set up new accounts, which is not very often. The Ads Manager is where we will be spending the majority of our time, because it's where we go to run our ads. Before we go there, we have to do one thing first, one very important thing. I know, I have been building up this drama in this episode, but it is so important that it could have saved one of my students hundreds of dollars in ad spend. Click on Ad Account Settings. Then click on the credit card icon on the left-hand side called Payment Settings. You will reach this page. A while ago, one of my students told me that he started running Facebook ads and left it running during the weekend. When he checked his ads account the following week, he was shocked to find out that he was charged $433. This would have never happened if he had set an account spending limit. Facebook ads would never tell you this, but when you are starting out, you always want to set a spending limit. Go to Account Spending Limit and click on the three dots to select the limit. This will mean if one of your ads start performing terribly and eating up your budget like crazy, your ads will pause when it reaches the limit you set and won't run again until you increase or remove that limit. You can of course set the amount you are comfortable with. If you want my advice, you can put down $200 to start. This is like you putting $200 on a casino table. If you spent all of it, you will leave the table. But if you didn't set a limit, it's like allowing Facebook to follow you around the casino, continue to take money from your wallet. Because in Facebook's eyes, you have not left the table. You are still in the game. So be careful. Once you get better at running Facebook ads, you can increase your spending limit. But it's a good idea to always have a limit. Click Save when you are done. Congratulations! Give yourself a pat on the back. You did it! So what do you think? Do you have any questions about the Facebook Ads Manager that you are having trouble with? Let me know in the comments and I will make more videos to help you. In fact, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button because in the next episode, I will give you a fun tour of the Facebook Ads dashboard and simplify everything for you so that you will be comfortable running ads on this platform. My goal in this course is to make things simple and fun for you so that you can actually follow along and get instant results. Sound fair? Great. I'll see you in the next episode.